we checked Flux. Interesting. 65 also. This is another one, but can I pick it? I'm not 100% sure. It's not full. I can check Flux again and see what we can do. Oh, Flux is looking interesting. Would I go with Flux? Let me check the volatility checker. Let's confirm. Look at it. This one is looking interesting. It looks like it's going up 5767. This is going up. I think I would go for it. Let's go. Let's go. Why not if not? Flux is a good one. I've taken a trade with Flux before and I think it went well. We're currently beautiful. It bought. Yes. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it. It went to where? It went to 6880 in the past 24 hours. Let's go ahead and do this in convert. Okay. Wifcoin is good. Yes, I've taken it before. I've taken Wifcoin before. So, and it's good. I'll check it out. Let's check it out and see whether anybody can pick it, because I think we've gotten to our limits of the trades that we can pick today. So I'll just pick up all of those. How much did we buy? Let's go check it out, guys. Let us check it out. Flux, we bought that in 2 compartments. That's $49.98. So very, very close to $50. So we'll work with that. That will give us, we just want to get like 51 and we'll be cool, guys. We'll be cool. Just 51, 2% will be fine. All right. So we pick on the limit. And then we go ahead and pick on the Flux. And then we change this to USDT. Let's go. Alrighty. So we put in the max. And then we change this to 6. Let's see what it's going to give us. Oh, it's not as we need it to give us some. Okay, and that's a lot. 6.1. I'm good. I'm just good with $1, guys. Just $1 is fine. Let's just be very conservative, guys. So we have all our trades set, right? We have all our trades set for now. Is it going up or is it going down? Let's check it out. It looks like it's going down a bit, but here we are. 15954. It looks like it's going up. Yeah, it's at 67. It's going up, guys. It is going up. It's at 67. We bought it as how much did we buy it as? We bought it at 157. We're in profit. We are in profit right now, as you can see. Thank you, people, for joining. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. It will be nice to have you as our channel subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to like the video. It's time to take a time out to like the video. If you are here and you haven't liked the video, please like the video. Please do so. Thank you so much. God bless you. Oh, one of our trades has executed. Which one is it? I don't know. Let's go and check. We have a trade that has just executed now. Let's go and see. Which one do you think it is? I don't know. I want to go check. Let's see. I'm excited. Flux has executed at 51.03. Oh my God. Flux has executed. I love it when our trades execute. It's beautiful, guys. You know, how much did we buy? Flux, we bought it at $49.98. That's how much we bought it. So we have executed it. Do I want to take it again? I might likely do that. Guys. Let's do it one more time. We still got time. Let's do it. Let's do it before I finish up the calculations. Let's go take it, guys. Let's take it again. Guys. Let's go. Did we buy? Did we buy it? Looks like it's going up. I don't think we bought it. We have to cancel it. Let's go for the higher price. We have to go for the higher price if we want to get this bought quickly. Let's go for the higher price, guys. We have bought it at the higher price. Let's see. Yes, it's going up, guys. This is going up. We have to do Flux number 2. I'm going to go do the other one later, but let's quickly go and do it. Yeah, $49.98. I'm sure that's how much we bought it. 49.98. Am I right? 49.98. Correct. So let's go to convert, guys. Let's do this quickly. Let's do this, guys. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it, okay? So we change that to USDT. Can you see that this is working, guys? Look at it. So let's change this to 615. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's do 613 again. Let's see when we get there. No. 614. I think 614 is fine. 6141. 6142. I just want to get $1, guys. 6143. That's it. I just want to get like $1. Or let me change this to 4. Yeah, that's fine. We're cool with that. So we already have our trade 644. That's where we are looking at this time around. We are doing this another time, right? Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Let's wait and see. Flux 2 is about to get started, guys. We already in it. Let's not forget that Flux 1 is what we are talking about before we went to take Flux 2. All right, let's quickly go and do that. Let's get back into what we got. Limits. And then let's check. So Flux 1, we got 51.03, right? So what we had, let's go to calculating. We need to calculate our profits, guys, okay? We calculate our profits. We had 51.03, right? Minus 49.98. So we made $1.05. Okay, $1.05. Don't forget the second trade is in convert, so there are no fees. Okay, no fees. So what we have here is $1.05, which is cool. Let's see how much that is in percentage. That's just about 2.1% or something in that range. So we have 49.98 times, all right? Let's say 0.21%, yeah. 212, yeah, 1211. I think that would be cool. 2.11%, guys. That's what we made on Flux 1. Yeah. Let's get back in. We have Flux 1 that executed. Let's hope another one will quickly execute. I'm waiting for it eagerly, guys. Another trade has executed, guys. Can you see what I am seeing here? I think it should be Flux. Let me go and check. I think it is Flux, guys. I think Flux has a... Oh, yes, of course. Flux has done it again, guys. Flux 2 has executed. Woo. Come on. Let's see. Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? Oh, my God. Would we do Flux a third time? I think I am going to do it one more time, babies. I will do Flux one more time. I hope that's not a mistake, but I'm doing it. I'm going into it, guys. One more time. Hey, one more time. Yes, guys. Flux part 3. Let's go on and let's get going. Go on and let's get going. Oh, yeah, it's going down a bit. I hope this was not a mistake. We'll find out, guys. It's at 69. Let's go and see. Let's see what we can do, right? Let's see. How much did we buy it? Let's see. How much did we buy it? We bought it. Oh, see my Flux. See my Flux. That was 49.99, practically at $50. Okay. And we bought it at what price did we buy it as? 1.65. Okay, no probs. Oh, it's gone down a bit, guys. 1.65. Will it go up higher? I don't know. It's going to go pick up some strength. I mean, naturally, it shouldn't do more than 2 times, but I'm doing it 3 times. But anyways, let's see how this goes. We are executing our trades. Flux 1 has executed. Flux 2 has executed. We're in Flux 3, guys. Flux 3, guys. Yes, that's where we're at. That's where we're at, guys. Flux 3, and we want to execute this at 6.7. Let's see what it will give us. No, more than that. 6.8. Let's see. Oh, no, we gotta do 6.85. Yeah, I'll just work with $1. If I can do 6.86, let me see. I think I'm cool with this. Just a little bit above. and we are cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Let's go. We are going to the top. That is it, guys. Let's hope that this one works. We are looking at 686. Let's say 69, 69, 169. Let's hope that Flux gets. I mean, when it gets to this one, I'm not even doing it anymore. At this point, I'm tired. I'm not tired of making money. I just don't want to get. I don't want it to go to a point where this one. Okay, okay. It looks like it's going to bring some more strength, guys. It looks like it's going to pick up some strength. It's at 70. Man, come on, come on. Just needs that push. 63, 63.49. What are we talking, Carm? Come on, come on, come on. You can do this. So let me go and do the calculations, right, of our Flux 2, right? Flux 2 gave us, we actually was 49.98. So Flux 2 gave us how much? Flux 2 gave us how much? Let's go check it again. Flux 2 gave us 51.06. Okay, let me take that screenshot, guys. Yeah. 51.06, and we bought it 49.98, same price as the former one, guys. So let's go ahead and do our calculations. This is what Flux 2. So that is let's see that. That's 51.06 minus 49.98. Something is telling me that it may be more than that. Let me go and check. I think it's the same. It should be the same. 49.98. Just wanted to be sure. Let's just be sure. Oh my God, I hope this is gonna make it. Please, please make it. Make it, guy. Make it. Yeah. Yeah, same 49.98. Same. All right, let's keep on. Let's go and calculate that. So we have $1.08, guys. $1.08. Okay. So we go check that out again. 49.98 times. Okay. That should be 2.2. 2.2. Yeah, 2.15. 15. Okay, 16. 17. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. 2.17 for the second round, guys. 2.17. That was an awesome trade. So we have Flux 2 at 2.17%, guys. Oh my God, that's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's go check what's going on, guys. Let's see what's going on. Flux is giving, guys. It's giving. Will it make it? I hope it will not be in the trade for too long, but right now, we are trying to get this to go. Where did it get to? Where did it get to? Got to 6.6. Okay, we're waiting, guys. Let's see where we're looking at. See where we're. This is crazy where we're going. If it breaks this one, its previous one, we are good. It should just get to this one, and we are good. It should get to 6.9. It should get to 70. What are we saying? $1.70, and it should be able to do that. But for now, we're just gonna leave that. We've got Flux USDT Part 3 that executed. So let's go into the details of what exactly happened, because Flux is a great one. 3 trades in a row, guys. 3 trades in a row. It's quick. The third one came after a little late, because, at times when you take the first and second one, then afterwards the energy begins to go down. And that's exactly what we saw. So I would say optimally, optimally, try not to do 3 trades in a row. But if you see that it's really, really going good, why not take it if it is? But I mean, 2 trades in a row is fine, okay? But I think I went the third one because I saw the opportunity that was there, and I was hoping that it would also execute. So let's get into it, right? So how much did we buy this Flux 3? We bought it as $49.99. So that's practically $50, right? All right. So how much did it give us? Let's get into convert, because that's where I'm doing all my trades. My sell trades are now in convert. I'm not dashing Binance any money. I'll give them at the first leg, because I need to be able to track that very easily and quickly. So I'll give them at the first leg, okay? But for the second leg, I'm going to keep that change to myself, okay? So we're going to click on limits. So don't mind me. I mean, I've dashed them one part of it now. I shouldn't be giving them two trading fees. One is enough. One is fine. All right, okay? So let's see. All my trades now, all my sell trades now, my second leg trades, I do them inside of convert. Yeah, except I think otherwise, I don't know. But for now, you can see we have Flux 3 here. So we have 51.03 that we made, right, from Flux. Okay, so that means that Flux gave us, we're going to go do the calculations right away, right? We're doing the calculations right away. So, but if we look at it on the face value, you would see that it gave us $1.04, something in that range, right? $1.04. So let me just go into my calculator and do that quickly, all right? So let's go into our calculator. So we had 51.03 minus, I'm just going to put minus 50 because I think it's easier to just consider that. So that's it. And then we will now do the calculation. We'll use 50 for it because, it just it's just practically $50, right? So let's do 50. I think that should be like 2.1 times 2.1. Let's see, am I fine? No, it's not less. It's less than that. 08 or 05 or 007. 065. 065 is looking good. So, what am I doing? I don't need to do it that long. Can I just make it 2 digits? 06 is fine. 2.06%. That's what we got for Flux 3. Okay. So we made $1.03, and then we made, that was a profit potential or profit. Oh, come on. Profit percentage, English. Profit percentage of 2.06. There's a reason why I always do these calculations, guys. It's so that you can see what exactly works. I mean, I've tried some other, profit potential activities like 2.5, 2.3%, even up to 4%, guys. But I find out that it's easier to quickly go in and out. Now, you may find out, and that always happens most times, that by the time we go check, and we're going to check the charts very soon, you'll find out that actually it went beyond, right? Because if you look at it, let's get back in there. If you look at what we wanted it to execute as, we put it as 1.68, okay? 1.686 that we put as our sell limit. So let's go check exactly what is going on with Flux right now. Okay, you can see Flux has gone down to 1.55, okay? But look at it. It went to 1.78. So you could just have said, why did I put it in 1.68? I should have put it in 1.7 or 1.75, my dears. I don't know whether I will get there. And because of this kind of situation, I mean, look at it. If I put 4%, it could have hit it. Or 3%, it could have hit it. I'm telling you. But there's no way you can tell that it will get to 1.78. How am I supposed to know? So it got to 1.78. Let me even see the RSI it got to. Let's check the RSI. It went to, I think, no, I'm not seeing that. Let me try and get it very close. I think the RSI it went to was 74. Something in that range, guys. There's no way I would know, guys, if it's going to get there or not. And since it hit that point, it started coming down.